detail sanders also can be in the finish category. The cut of the orbit on these sanders is extremely small, 2 millimeters, just like your ETS 125, to rectangular or triangular shaped, and they're primarily chosen because they can get in places where a round can't. This will let you get into corners as well as this. A lot easier than a round sander would. These are also very lightweight, as well as this one is very lightweight and variable speed. This one has a number of ways of manipulating the pad. You can actually put on a longer pad. You need the reach, so you have you can rotate the tips around after you wear down that pad. There's a hard pad and a soft pad available, but if you need to get farther out with a longer reach, then what you do is you change this plate so you can see the difference, so you get a longer reach. Now in this mode you don't have any dust extraction, or in this mode you do because all the holes are in the bottom of the pad, where here everything's blocked off, but it gives you a farther reach. The edges are round, so when you come up against an edge, it doesn't bounce off the edge, it'll kind of ride into the edge. The same here. Come up against the edge of a surface, it's not going to bounce and throw you off as a square pad would. Instead of sanding orbitally or random orbitally, it actually sands with the grain. So this machine goes back and forth. So if I had to copy this grain pattern and I didn't want to have any scratch marks going across it, then I could put a flat pad on and the right abrasive, and when the sander's on, the scratch pattern will be back and forth or with the grain. If I have to get into corners, there's a variety of pads available, concave, convex,